The secret to becoming an affiliate marketing guru. Opening shot of a luxurious mansion with a Lamborghini parked out front. Meet our 3 affiliate marketing gurus, Jake, Brad, and Tiffany. They've made millions online, and they're here to share their secrets. Cut to a shot of Jake, a flashy man in a suit, standing in front of a green screen with stock footage of tropical beaches playing behind him. Jake, step 1. You gotta visualize your success. I spent hours photoshopping myself onto pictures of private jets and exotic beaches. It's all about the mindset, baby. Cut to a shot of Brad, a bearded man in a hoodie, sitting in front of a computer. Brad, step 2. You gotta find your niche. I tried selling everything from pet rocks to fitness equipment before I finally hit it big with my line of smart water bottles. They're just regular water bottles, but they have a Bluetooth speaker in the cap. Cut to a shot of Tiffany, a glamorous woman in a cocktail dress, sipping champagne. Tiffany, step 3. You gotta network. I spent more time at affiliate marketing conferences than I did actually working on my business. But it paid off. That's where I met my sugar daddy. Cut to a shot of the 3 gurus standing together in front of a whiteboard covered in graphs and charts. Narrator. And there you have it, folks, the secret to becoming an affiliate marketing guru. Visualize your success, find your niche, and network your way to the top. Jake. And don't forget to charge people thousands of dollars for your online courses. Brad. Yeah, that's the real secret. Tiffany. Cheers to that. Let's get serious for a moment. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the humor and forget about the real deal. That's why it's important to take action and prioritize what's truly important. Whether it's your health, your relationships, or your career, don't let the distractions of daily life prevent you from achieving your goals. So, let's make a commitment to ourselves to stay focused and take steps towards creating the life we truly want. Remember, small actions can lead to big results. Now, let's take that commitment to the next level. Joining the Online Business App Network can be a great step towards achieving your financial goals. With their resources and support, you can start your journey to financial freedom with confidence. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back from taking action towards creating the life you want. Join the Online Business App Network today and take that first step towards a brighter future. Remember, financial freedom is within reach, and it all starts with a decision to take action. Find the link to the app in the video description below and start supercharging your affiliate marketing journey today. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with others. Until next time.